Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove someone from your favorites list in MeetMe. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MeetMe application. Here, click on your profile in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Favorites option. Here, tap and hold on the profile of the person that you want to remove. Then tap on the dustbin icon in the top right corner. And if you're sure, click on the Yes option. So that is how you can remove someone from your favorites list in MeetMe application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.